When ChatGPT exploded onto the scene in 2022, Google looked caught off guard. But according to CNBC, Google's recent moves show it was quietly building toward a real AI comeback. At the heart of that comeback, Gemini 3. Google's latest model is being praised for requiring less prompting and for being smarter, providing more nuanced, well-reasoned responses. But a great model alone isn't enough. Google paired Gemini 3 with a powerful boost in hardware, the Ironwood TPU, its 7th-generation AI chip. By building its own compute layer, Google is reducing reliance on third-party chips and making its AI stack more efficient. Financially, Google isn't holding back. It's aggressively scaling its infrastructure. That means major investments in data centers, servers, and its own AI compute resources. Inside Google, executives are pushing hard on this ambition. They tell employees the next 1000x compute scale has to come, and it has to come without drastically raising power costs. That's a tall order, but Google apparently thinks it can get there via careful infrastructure co-design and optimization. This isn't just about building big, it's about building together. The integration of Gemini 3 with Google Search paired with Ironwood TPUs under the hood signals a shift from disjointed AI experiments to a coherent, full-stack AI ecosystem. Here's the big gamble and the potential payoff. If Google nails this, it doesn't just compete with OpenAI. It becomes a core AI infrastructure provider. Its AI won't just run on Google servers, it might power other companies' workloads too. Google's comeback isn't about catching up, it's about redefining the game. By aligning model, hardware, and capital and doing it with discipline, it's no longer just playing AI, it's building for its future.